Welcome to our review of the BAJAJ Crest Neo 1200mm Ultra High Speed 3-blade ceiling fan. We recently purchased this fan from Flipkart and have been using it for a while now. In this video, we will give you a detailed review of its features, design, and performance. So let's unbox it. The BAJAJ fan usually comes with the following items inside the box. 1. The ceiling fan body with blades and motor. 2. A user manual with installation instructions and warranty details. 3. Mounting accessories such as screws, bolts, and brackets. The fan is equipped with 3 aerodynamically designed blades that are designed to provide maximum air delivery with minimum noise. The blades are made of high-quality materials and are coated with a corrosion-resistant paint to ensure durability and longevity. The 1200mm size of the blades is perfect for large rooms, and the aerodynamic design ensures that the fan provides an excellent airflow even in low-speed settings. The blades are also designed to operate silently, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms or living rooms where noise can be a disturbance. The BAJAJ fan is equipped with an ultra-high-speed motor that provides excellent air delivery of up to 235 cm. The motor is designed to operate silently, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms, living rooms, or any space where you want to enjoy a comfortable breeze without any noise. The high-speed motor also ensures that the fan can quickly and efficiently cool down large rooms, making it an excellent choice for hot and humid summers. Additionally, the motor is designed to be energy efficient, which means that it consumes less power and helps you save on your electricity bills. Finally, let's talk about the value for money. The fan is priced at a reasonable rate, considering its features and performance. We believe it's an excellent investment for any household. In conclusion, we highly recommend the BAJAJ Crest Neo 1200mm Ultra High Speed 3-blade ceiling fan to anyone who is looking for an efficient, stylish, and affordable ceiling fan. We hope you found this review helpful, and thank you for watching.